It's the pure thing. Yo, let's make it sufficient. It's the pure thing. Yo, let's make it sufficient. It's the pure thing. Yo, let's make it sufficient. It's the pure thing. Yo, let's make it sufficient. It's the pure thing. Yo, let's make it sufficient. It's the pure thing. Yo, let's make it sufficient. It's the pure thing. Yo, let's make it sufficient. It's the pure thing. Yo, let's make it sufficient. It's the pure thing. Yo, let's make it sufficient. It's the pure thing. Yo, let's make it sufficient.
It's the pure thing, man, we ain't coming to you live. Put the tape in the deck and the shit will magnify with uniqueness. We freak this like how many? Not for those who know, like the drop off a penny. Straight up and get down, 3 mics and a Q. Hooked up with G-Raf and the KW. Pure thing, what? In the place to be. 8 9s on the map with the dopest MC. Then it's my BSC. Straight up reminiscent, hip-hop manifesting. Microphone blasting cause the world is ours. And we got the whole pack. Plus the 7 mic stack on the illest bonus track.
It's the pure thing. Yo, let's make it sufficient. It's the pure thing. Yo, let's make it sufficient. It's the pure thing. Yo, let's make it sufficient. It's the pure thing. Yo, let's make it sufficient. It's the pure thing. Yo, let's make it sufficient. It's the pure thing. Yo, let's make it sufficient. It's the pure thing. Yo, let's make it sufficient. It's the pure thing. Yo, let's make it sufficient.
My mind is abstract like the Fort of Notre Dame is on the mic. I'm like Billy, I make that ass famous. Plus my verbs are danger. Like water with phosphorus, perusic acids to recover. Gotta be prosperous. So many MCs sound like they're struck by state of coaches. Know how many can flow this? Psychoacidosis. None of they ask me cause they cannot like this. Check the last seduction of a skunk French kiss. Methodological ways to conduct the sceneries. I'm leaving you breathless like a swarm of killer bees. Cause it's strictly no surrender with no retreat. Like ACB sides, I'm rather unique. Freak me like a Dana and watch the prognostic. I'm the mentor of my style, so get off my fucking dick. Got Maximus Funk, true bionic speaker, self-proclaimed funk freaker. Shit, you guess the week I want begging like a picky. Pump with penicillin, metaphorical killing. I smash your mic with the ceiling. So how many corny MCs want try? Claim they got game like feces, they multiply.
How many corny MC want try?
Now check the 1 2 as I check the 4 5. I got mad drive to survive, and that's life. I'm majestic, fantastic. Your girlfriend is plastic, and if you step to me, you get your fucking ass kicked. Cause I come equipped with the ill type skills. No gimmick set up, no artificial frills. Proclamation instantaneous. You know I hit the hottest back to back bracket rules. Running mics, I'm the flies. Best for the different style of life. My shit and tribe strictly representing brains. Fuck a corporeal or knife. So how many dangerous MCs want try? Claim street stories and let the metaphors die.
How many corny MC want try? On the block with the real hip hop. How many corny MC want try? On the block with the real hip hop.
I'm raw and dangerous like TNT. When I flip shit, it's the B-O-M-B. I kick a real war, you ain't no holding back. When I'm representing on this here track, going straight into the major leagues like Kevin Garnett. Utilizing my productions like a fucking rhyme rap. Fuck the clock, cock, hard rock, street, well, a stream. It's all about skills, fuck the money and cream. I renovate your mind state, no time for deprecation. It's the your movement webs, no copycat sensation. And I got a not factor, the 2Gs and 60. She splits me, not even the Apollo who could fix me like an industry culture. Big parts of ink and gold. Many souls have been so brain sick, minds are full. So I call upon you out and whack MCs like a hunter. And go ask the genie, believe me, I got you open like C-Sam. We program the dope jam like the Coleon fam. I got a Riddler type scam. So how many corny MCs want try? Front and end up with a Spanish necktie.
How many corny MC want try? On the block with the real hip hop. How many corny MC want try? On the block with the real hip hop. How many corny MC want try? On the block with the real hip hop. How many corny MC want try? On the block with the real hip hop. How many corny MC want try? On the block with the real hip hop. How many corny MC want try? On the block with the real hip hop.
guys see on the microphone. And it goes like this. No matter where you go, man, you gotta love the sound. Cause real hip-hop hits got sold by the pound. So bounce to the ounce by this hip-hop hit. Even if they say it comes, baby, ain't dead. Dead in the meaning, kid, you must be dreaming. Cause she will never die, penetrating like semen. Punks try to kill it, but on the fucking realist, you can't kill shit when MCs representing illest. On the microphones and in the fucking decks, they even try to lie peeps like Funkmaster Flex. Cause there was no sampling, no need for DJs. No horns from Armstrong, no scratching what's displayed. But it's coming back, I can feel it like that. So we kick the fat rap to get it back on track. Not for those who know, but for those who hold.
It's not your business, so shut the fuck up.
Not for those who know, but for those who hold.
It's not your business, so shut the fuck up.
Not for those who know, but for those who hold.
It's not your business, so shut the fuck up.
Not for those who know, but for those who hold.
It's not your business, so shut the fuck up.
Hello, hello, I'm curious to know how many MCs would rock a fucking show without the DJ representing real hard like a dart piercing through the flesh, straight to the heart of a roughneck b-boy, straight up hip-hop lover. I love the underground, so keep it deep undercover. Breaking, bombing, to me it's illmatic. So I'ma kick this for all the hip-hop informatics on the back streets where the art forms me combined. Baby strong like the engine in a motherfucking Jeep. Reality check, 1, 2, where are we going? Keep it on in my veins, it's flowing. Cause I got more lead in the form of intellect. It's basic instinct, so protect your fucking neck. Like Mary J, it's love without a limit. Acrobatic freestyles over beat, you can't dim it. Gimmick rap crews keep playing your dick. Cause you got me criminal minded like the graffiti flick. You gotta wake up cause you got me shit to learn. Like Guru said, respect is hard to earn. Not for those who know, but for those who hold.
It's not your business, so shut the fuck up.
Not for those who know, but for those who hold.
It's not your business, so shut the fuck up.
Fucking mad, it's a mathematics petition. Lyrical, I'm pissing on the MCs I've been dissing. Mic flows, I got about 1 million. How many gimmick rappers out there, about 1 zillion? And try to make $1 out of 15 cents. Never seen a hustle, so it makes no fucking sense. But come back close, cause hip-hop's universal. Rappers representing true values from the circle of hip-hop hard hits, rhyming acapella. It's the wrong YC, funky street dwellers. Join the mad circle, cleaning up in the biz. Cause shit ain't wrong no more, fake is how it is. Not for those who know, but for those who hope.
It's not your business, so shut the fuck up.
Not for those who know, but for those who hope.
It's not your business, so shut the fuck up.
Not for those who know, but for those who hope.
It's not your business, so shut the fuck up.
Not for those who know, but for those who hope.
It's not your business, so shut the fuck up. It's not your business, so shut the fuck up.
We got get ready for an interlude.
Yo,
Straight up,
get off my
what?
mic cord. Once again, you step in, like take 1, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Wait, hold on.
Hold
Stop it over there. Stop. Okay, is everybody ready? Is everybody?
Okay, we ready?
We're ready. You ready over there? What's up?
Let's bless these tools.
Take it off,
take
take
it
it
off.
off, get it going, take it off.
It's like this for 96. The bag of tricks opens. In comes the fog flows. Your nose, hose blows me like I blow my nose. They be on the jizzuck because of the way I wrist suck. The mic will suck off them with good thing, no time to be soft. But for now, I guess that web flows is greater. Giraffe rock the mic like a wax flow hater.
Coming straight up and getting down the KGB, the KAW, the G, the double E, the BIC. Saturday style, you know we gotta check the score. Clock the gold, like the finger plus the pussy galore. Clubbing interlude, the R&B is cracking up the wrister. For the flavor, so we gotta get the piss out.
We never buck rock while it's style. Secret to the masses like the case of X5. Keep it like a Jesus kid, it's the ultimate hit. Turntables and a mic on some real life shit. All the B-boys with the colorful stars. You can to the house, let me hear you make some noise. It's the B to the I to the motherfucking C. Signing off here, represent lovely. Oh yeah, straight up and get down into the.
Check it out. We're gonna do this shit. Straight up and get down, get down, get down.
Straight up and get down, get down, get down. Straight up and get down, get down, get down. Straight up and get down, get down, get down.
Straight up and get down, get down, get down.
Pure thing, word in the place to be. 8 9s on the map with the dopest MC. C-Style, word in the place to be. 8 9s on the map with the dopest MC. BSC, word in the place to be. 8 9s on the map with the dopest MC. Little R, word with the unique feel. 8 9 causing damage on the wheels of steel.
Do my thing with an 89 swing.
Back in 89, I simply slid into place.
Do my thing with an 89 swing.
Back in 89, I simply slid into place.
Oh yes, fresh, we can rock the mic, yes. No Remy battles, cause we can spiral like chess. I guess, God bless that it's a sure shot winner. The bomb like I can nearly happen, vagina dinner. 89, you better peep it, raw shit, no secret. Hustlers from Copenhagen, running scared, that's how we freak it. Raw child and master skills, overfloating city bounce. Predator type tropes, cool mics and raw crowns. I know they frown cause we in town, but ill supremacy, time to rim it. Your verbal kick cause there's no remedy. 8 9 MCs pumping high octane with finesse. BSC, what? Putting mad stress to your chest.
Do my thing with an 89 swing.
Back in 89, I simply slid into place.
Do my thing with an 89 swing.
Back in 89, I simply slid into place.
Now what you gonna do when I be coming through? It's the mad scientist, blessing tools like voodoo, true crew, pure thing pumping hard in your bucks. Got more flavor than Chateau Blanc Deluxe, plus I rock blocks like a circus Richter scale. Come on, see, represent like the fucking killer whale.
I make up rhymes that makes your head rewind or gimmick originality. I'm into it, too many vampires and hip hop, everybody be biting. Writing your own stuff today is rare. Rappers be flipping from fad to fad, yo. Give me a Bible, a holy cross, and some garlic, now who's bad?
Do my thing with an 89 swing.
Back in 89, I simply slid into place.
Do my thing with an 89 swing.
Back in 89, I simply slid into place.
Live from the city of gold chains and hyped up BMs. Crazy bald-headed tattle tigers and dobermans. Booming slow drivers full of fast loving youngsters. Geeks, b-boys, headbangers, hippies and punkers. Corrupt cops, flies, freaks and curb creeps. A hospital that kills pretty girls popping pills. 8 9 is rugged like Tito Phillips 4, we're unstoppable. Respect to Copenhagen, but it ain't my capital. North or west side's connected by the boulevard. Business and style, you must confess that 9 is fresh. I'm not from Denmark, Jutland is my country. And 8 9 00 is my city.
Do my thing with an 89 swing.
Back in 89, I simply slid into place.
Do my thing with an 89 swing.
Back in 89, I simply slid into place.
Pure thing, word in the place to be. 8 9s on the map with the dopest MC. C-Style, word in the place to be. 8 9s on the map with the dopest MC. BSC, word in the place to be. 8 9s on the map with the dopest MC. Little R, word with the unique feel. 8 9s causing damage on the wheels of steel.
Do my thing with an 89 swing.
Back in 89, I simply slid into place.
Do my thing with an 89 swing.
Back in 89, I simply slid into place.
RANDERS, Sure Shot City, we rock best. Knuckleheads plus nice girls galore. When our show's done, girls they scream for more. To be specific, we rip it on a daily basis. You remember me? Nah, cause we see so many faces on our endless quest for pussy, props and glory. You know, make money, money, make money, money, money. Sunny days in the park,
But nigga freaks licking sun.
object sexy.
Projects crazy.
There's an area code.
You be dissing the word skills.
And if you still be sweating us, you can get the deals. Little RC star biz, and you don't stop. Body, body, rock, rock. Unstoppable, predictable,
like fungus in a crypt.
I forgot it's far from modest.
Like the verbs that we flip.
Plus we're captivating minds.
It's a gas Romani style.
Hazardous to your health.
Like uranium waste pile.
You claim you don't like it.
Still your body to gain control.
Your rhymes are more tight than a faggot's asshole.
B-boys,
word in the place to be. 1,000 and up with the dopest MC. B-boys, word in the place to be. 5,000 on the map with the dopest MC. B-boys, word in the place to be. 8,000 on the map with the dopest MC. B-boys, word in the place to be. 9,000 on the map with the dopest MCs.
Do my thing with an 89 swing.
Back in 89, I simply slid into place.
Do my thing with an 89 swing.
Back in 89, I simply slid into place.
Do my thing with an 89 swing.
Back in 89, I simply slid into place.
Oh yeah, my BIC, my backbone in the scene, and it goes like this. hold up and let me take 1 minute of your time, so I can redecline on my mind on how I used to kick back before I had a knapsack. 12 years of age, man, that ounce was the true Mac. I caught the essence at the lessons at school. No detention, no suspension, didn't act a fool. Always on the pedal bike, y'all rolling down the street, using paper so much it would sound like a Jeep. Cheap, screwed up hearts, we were stronger. Praise the days we stayed out an hour longer. When you're mad, ignorant, what's up to declaration? No stress on the brain, a new face, a sensation. Always doing dumb shit, peer pressure in effect. You did what you did when it was time to catch wreck. Vivid images appear from alcohol intoxication. Sissy bottoms up was the key to admiration. Still crazy, wild, young at the time I caught the beat. The piece of vinyl had a title which I couldn't read, but it didn't matter, man, it was fatter. Mind evolution, next step, mental ladder, mind. Oh yeah. Crazy wild young. Hip hop flavors dirty to the wings. Know what I'm saying? Verse 2, setting up a tight ass crew. They be the motherfuckers that I always knew. We found one little shit was straight hip hop. Fuck Peter Bailey, Yellow's the short shot. Booming on my tape and walking in my room. Drinking soda pop, never ever heard a boom. It was like that, man, all the time. Always checking answers with the coolest rhyme. Back then shit was underground, unknown and raw. Body started getting props through the back door. Still no industry fuss, politics or mass appeal. Shit was mad real cause everything had a feel. The reminisce on fly crews. Back then we had a vision, 20 MCs deep in a direct transmission from the rhyme cipher of lyrical chemistry. Teachers serving ill funk for unique delivery. That was then, this is it. No unity split, no automatic hit, cause I'm on some flip shit. New thing, new crew, pure thing, introduction. Peeps get ready for some verbalized mind corruption, my. Oh yeah, first check this out, man. Pure thing up in this piece. Little I, the ill kid BIC. Just some thoughts about my background. Like shit started from me getting into hip hop and shit. Crazy wild. Just fell in it
Rasmus Bo er den vildeste. 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 Rasmus Bo er den vildeste.
Tjek med du har flydet i den vilde rufferstil. Jeg river mega biber, digger, sparker rov som sølvpil. Køler hår fra sukkerbakken, Igor Simon Spis. Stikken hun er kær, men ikke Janni Fanny Fis. For jeg er kun til golftøj, domperjang og kaviar. Jeg flipper led hver for de unikke spor vi har. Spenderer hårdt på mit fort, narkori med kartel. Piger over det hele, alle fyrer spis karvel. Så put det på, Simon Spis, put det på. Så gav jeg mine aktiver, så ville Danmark gå i stå. Rasmus Bo er den vildest. Han findes ikke kolder, men hvis Ekstrabladet ringer, så ligger jeg og boller.
Rasmus Bo er den vildeste.
Min krop er min triumf, og det samme er mit undertøj. Så snart der kamera på, findes jeg af linsens høje. For når jeg fotografen, vil jeg følge hans instrukser. Jeg skubber BBH, når han skyder mine modne frugter. Jeg er Per Dansk, og jeg lever på mit sexapel. Navnet Tina Kjær rammer plet som Willem Tell. Det er hårdt at fortælle, jeg vil have en fyr som Jordan. En der er så flyvskab, den stikker til mig foran. Rasmus går på vandet, og han flyver mere end Superman. Hvis han var i Blutring, havde jeg kunne levere en tand. Det lyder som en løgn, men det er sandt, som det er sagt. Rasmus Bo er den vildeste.
Rasmus Bo er den vildeste.
Om Rasmus Bo kan, du ved han kan. Og mig er lige så funky som en pige med en tissemand. Du er ligesom mand på min tallerken, lutter levninger. Du slikker mere røv end Thomas Salling, der armhævninger. Jeg har fået flere tæsk i København og til det krogballer. Hugget mere end KU, har fusket med medlemstal. Selv fodboldsamlemærker i 82. Holder Rossi for kaos, i går og mylder. Jeg tyller dit fars whisky ned i ganen. Pisser i et ølglas. Hugger din mors trusser, smider gær i jeres stats. Dropper bomber som Chirac. Naver uden på jakken. Baserer spænderen i BMW og riser den i nakken.
Rasmus er den vildeste. Rasmus Bo er den vildeste. Rasmus Bo er den vildeste. Rasmus Bo er den vildeste.
Rasmus Bo får dem til at sige. Rasmus Bo cutter, så de siger. Rasmus Bo rimer, så de siger. Når han kommer til et jam, siger de. Rasmus Bo får dem til at sige. Rasmus Bo cutter, så de siger. Rasmus Bo rimer, så de siger. Når han kommer til et jam, siger de. Jeg bruger over, jeg bruger over. Hygge hej hej, jeg bruger over, jeg bruger over. Hygge hej hej, jeg bruger over, jeg bruger over. Hygge hej hej, jeg bruger over, jeg bruger over. Hygge hej hej.
God, hvem er jeg? Piger siger aldrig nej til mig, så gæt.
B-O-double-Z.
Yeah, her på egnen er jeg boss. Jeg siger god for Rasmus Bo, så det gør I også. Han er mildest talt den vildeste, uanset hvad folk fortæller dig. For du må køre sløv til hans musik, ligesom eller der. Det er vokaler over instrumentaler, der er genialer. Jeg betaler min respekt til de knægte, der hver nat maler. For jeg var selv kriminel med påsketusen. Vi havde ingen tog, så vi malede på bussen. Nu giver jeg sikke våde nætter, når jeg dobbeltsætter jer derud som Søren Rym og Rasmus Bo være med dig.
Rasmus Bo er den vildeste.
Jeg siger 1, og du siger 2, og hvor er Rasmus Bo? Så er der strøjborger til høj, og der hvor kød det var en god. Der er G med 9 og 2 for 10 og tæmlig højt til loftet. Tag Rasmus op af stien, skal der må ikke, du bliver hostlet. I krybden for de rene ting, og hvad det nu en bringer. Med Rasmus Bo på givet, kig nu op og tag en sving. Og særligt hvis du har en søster, som jo ikke har nogen bror. Jeg tog var meget sjov, og enten tur i 2 i fjor eller skatter. I kan mødes ned og væk på Gudsmegade. På trappen, hvor at Rasmus Bo gør alle piger glade. Kom nu søster, kom og vis mig dine super søde kinder. Så kan der få en tur derop, hvor solen ikke skinner.
Rasmus Bo er den vildeste.
Ikke til at stoppe, syv mixer et loop. Det her er undergrund som European Storebælt. Her er en 4 spor, der gør din mor klar til hår. Min stil er stor, min bil ved hvor din pige bor. K-A-W, A-K-A, talkie ting for cool. Jeg er nede med ham, der spinder voks, som jeg spinder hjul. Han har talenter, den slags man ikke kan lære. Fik procenter af pigerne, når de viste den i fjerde. Og nu giver han dem gaven som en sport. La Santa, og folk hænger ved ham som trokker nosser i en manta. For alle vil lave en Rasmus Bo K-produktion. I hele hæren er der ikke så stor en kanon. Men bliv nu ikke for kæk. Han sender FMC'er grædende væk. End jeg har brændt dæk sæk. Den der sagde han var den sejeste løg. Talking T, jeg er spøgelse i blå høje.
Rasmus Bo er den vildeste.
Jeg rider flere og flere ind til rock og taget hurtigbaner. Råbanan har det brugt, jeg scorer deres damer. Min trackabilitens, men jeg går kun et list til en for vilde rode stokkeltet. Spiser Henning, jeg det gav dem Santa Claus, for jeg er der, hvor det snæv. Lever den rene bare mere klar end der. For hvis du ikke vidste, så ved du det nu, at under signet er den vildeste, jeg er utrolig.
Rasmus Bo er den vildeste. Rasmus Bo er den vildeste. Rasmus Bo er den vildeste. Rasmus Bo er den vildeste.